Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to disable screen recording on iPhone. If you want to disable screen recording on your iPhone, so you have to follow some steps. The first step is that you can disable it from your control panel. Just scroll down your control panel and here you have a plus icon in the left corner of screen. Just tap on it and here you have minus icon on screen recording option. Just tap on it to disable it and now you have disabled it. But if you want like to disable it from here, so you have to disable it permanently. To open your settings, just open settings and here scroll down and look for screen time. Here's the screen time option, tap on it and then scroll down again and here content and privacy restrictions, tap on it and here App Store, Media and Web Games, tap on it and here you will easily get screen recording option, tap on it and here you just have to select don't allow to permanently disable screen recording on your iPhone. If you want to enable it again, so just tap on allow and then you'll be able to record screen of your iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.